Aloha! This video tutorial will assist you with how to link a Concur travel request to your expense report. Now these requests are the travel request which replaces the RTA, and this will show you how to link it to your expenses upon completion of your travel. So if you notice up here, you can see what you have on your docket. An item you perhaps need to approve, and any travel requests that you have in the system already. So for this particular example with Nani, she has three that are active. But in order to see all the requests you have available, you can view all, and it'll show them all here. The date here will show you when that travel is approved from. So if we start from the home screen, we're going to go ahead and create her expense report to reconcile her available expenses here. And I'll just start from new and start a report. And we'll go ahead and use this naming convention of your KS username, what this is for, and what month at the end. This will help on the back end for your ACs and RDs as they are reconciling and approving. And business purposes can be real general, as this is going to align to each line of your expense report. Affiliation. Okay, and this area here, requests, is where you're going to work or add in your travel request link here. So again, all your available requests show up, and we'll go ahead and do these ones here, as I believe they cover all of her expenses. You can also just do them all. It will still be available for you in the future if you need to use it later. And click on Add. And then from here you're going to go and click on Next and start your report. Will this report include travel allowance expenses? It might and it may not. You can choose either or. If you discover that you do need to include a travel allowance expense, then you can do that within the system. So it's not detrimental either way you choose, but we'll go with no. Okay, this screen should be familiar. We're going to import her expenses because they are not added in yet. And I'll do everything that falls within this cycle date of May. And from Move, you can either just click on Move and it'll go to your current report that you're working on, or you can click on the drop down arrow and send it to wherever you need to. We'll just go with Move. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'll go straight to the item which I am linking my travel request to. So I believe it was this parking one here. So you'll enter your comment. Okay. After you complete your comment and you validate the expense type, etc., request is the area in which you'll find your travel request, and here it is, $516, $18, and it matches. Perfect. Go ahead and click on Save. And as you would normally do, just attach the receipt for that day. Which I think is this one, actually. Okay, so pretty simple. You'll continue as normal and then submit when they're all clear of the red exclamation points. As always, if you have any questions, you know where to find me, but I hope this tutorial was helpful with your expense report reconciliation and processing. Mahalo.